Hey there Dev Squad, Virtus here and welcome back to my Blender 3D modeling tutorial series. Within today's video we're going to be taking a look at how we can use the Bevel Modifier. Now the Bevel Modifier is something you'll be using quite often, and essentially what it's going to be doing is allowing you to smooth the edges of your shape, as what we've got now is really sharp, and realistically in the real world you are not going to see that. So we're going to be able to add a little bit of rounding, whether that's going in or out, and anyone that's done any kind of design stuff in the past, they will also know what beveling is as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into it. So the first way we can do this is using the modifier like I mentioned. So go over to the little spanner icon in the top right hand corner here and add the Bevel Modifier. From this, what you'll notice is straight away it's going to start to bevel this shape of ours. You can see it smoothed it a little bit around the edges. However, we need to have complete control over this, so we've got to use some of these settings that we've got here. The three settings that we're going to be using is our width, our segments, and our profile. So first and foremost, the width is going to control the width of our segments that we've got here. You can see at the moment it's 0.1, and as we turn this up, it is going to increase the width of that segment that we've got here. Now what you'll notice, this is still quite flat and still quite sharp around the edges. The way that we're going to be adding a little bit of smoothing is by adding additional segments, so it's going to break down that width into say 6 segments instead of 1. If we have 1, it's going to be really sharp and look like this. Turn it up and you're going to see it is going to start smoothing off those edges there for us. The last setting that you need to know about is your profile, and this is essentially going to be telling the Blender engine if you want to bevel in or out. So if you turn it all the way down, it's going to be beveling in like this. If you turn it up, it is going to be beveling it out just like this, and generally you are going to be keeping it on the higher side of things to get the look that you are after. Now with this done, there is also another way that we can go ahead and bevel our shape, and the way that you're going to do this, if I just press Ctrl Z a couple of times just to get back to the original cube, what we can also do to bevel this is by using the specials command. To get access to this, we need to be in our editing mode. So you can either come down to the bottom here and select editing mode, or once again, just press your tab. Now within here, what you need to do is press W, and this is going to bring up your specials menu. And within this, we have got access to bevel. You can either click this or you can press B. And then as I move my mouse, you are going to notice this is going to start to bevel the shape that we've got here, but bear in mind this is only going to apply to the edges that you have got selected. Now doing it this way, you don't have quite as much control as you do with the modifier, so that is something you need to keep in mind. So once again guys, just remember that once you're in there and you are doing that bevel, so if you go ahead and start doing it, left click is going to confirm, right click is going to cancel. So if you press right click, nothing is going to happen, left click is going to confirm that change. So once again, I'm going to press W to bring up the menu, and then B for bevel, and I'm just going to place it in here and just confirm it. Anyway guys, that is pretty much everything you need to know about beveling. Once again guys, thanks for watching, stay awesome, keep creating. Your boy Virtus, signing out. This video was made possible by my supporters on Patreon. If you want more videos like this, check out my Patreon page using the link in the description. To stay up to date on new releases, make sure you follow us on social media.